So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape it. I don't wanna fake it. Wish I could erase it. Make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar.
Okay, before we start, first you have to download Zepeto from Play Store and then log in and start to create your Zepeto avatar. And how to make your Zepeto avatar, you can check the video's description. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today I want to show you how to make your avatar Zepeto talking or singing as you like. Okay? First, we will go to Zepeto, and then we need to wait for a few seconds. It depends from your net connection. Okay, and then this feature is new. Maybe not all of you know it. First, tap that create symbol. Okay, create on the bottom, and then tap camera. Okay, this is my avatar. See, you can okay, or you will singing a song like how you like that, like that. See, it's simple way, but maybe not all of you know about this new feature on Zepeto. Okay guys, if you want to create a video about it, so you just need to tap that record, means you will record something. Let me think what I will sing. Okay, like hi, how are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, that's for the example. And now let's check it. We need to upload. Hi. Oh, sorry for that. I was trying to show you how it works, but my screen recording was not allow me. Was not allow the phone to recording on the Zepeto. So I hope you understand. I will explain you more. Okay guys, thank you. I will explain you with okay, check your result of your recording with play, and then watch the videos that you have recorded and save. After that, you can create or add another character, and then you also can make some stickers, and then music. You can add music from there. Okay, and then you also can add text. Okay, everything are there. the symbol from character, music, volume, filter, sticker, or text you can add there. Okay guys, it's all depends on how creative you are to make the video. And I hope this simple tutorial can help you, and thanks for watching. See you next time.